Have you ever wondered why some men barely try and still get chosen, while others do everything right and still get ignored? Have you ever felt like you are giving your best, texting, caring, showing up, yet somehow she still keeps her options open, still hesitates, still does not fully choose you? That frustration keeps building, because it feels like no matter what you do, something is missing. But what if the problem is not that you are not good enough? What if the problem is that you are playing the wrong game entirely? Because the truth is, attraction does not work the way most people think it does. It is not about effort alone. It is about how that effort is felt. Once you understand this, everything begins to change. The men who get chosen are not always the richest, the tallest, or even the most handsome. They are the ones who make a woman feel something different, something rare, something she cannot easily replace. If you want her to choose you over every other man, you need to understand how to create that feeling without forcing it, without chasing, and without losing yourself in the process. It starts with one simple shift. You stop trying to win her, and you start choosing her just as much. The moment you put her on a pedestal, you lower your own value. She feels that instantly, even if she cannot explain it. Attraction cannot grow in imbalance. It grows when there is mutual respect, mutual curiosity, and mutual investment. So instead of asking yourself, how do I get her to like me, you start asking, does she even deserve me? Does she align with my values? Does she bring peace into my life? When you think this way, your energy changes. You stop chasing validation and you start offering presence. Presence is powerful because most men are not truly present. They are distracted, trying too hard, overthinking every word and every move. But when you are grounded, calm, and fully in the moment, she feels it. It makes her feel seen in a way most men fail to do. That alone sets you apart. Then there is mystery, something most men destroy without realizing it. Have you ever noticed how the more available you are, the less interested she seems? It is not because she does not like you. It is because there is nothing left to discover. No space for curiosity, no reason for her to wonder about you. Curiosity is what pulls people in. You need to give her space, not by playing games, but by actually having a life that does not revolve around her. When your life is full, your time becomes valuable. When your time is valuable, she starts to appreciate it more. She starts to miss you when you are not around. That is when she begins to choose you emotionally, not just logically. Emotions are everything when it comes to attraction. A woman does not choose the man who makes the most sense on paper. She chooses the man who feels right, the one who gives her a sense of excitement and safety at the same time. That balance is rare. Most men lean too far in one direction. They are either too boring and predictable or too inconsistent and unreliable. But when you combine confidence with consistency, when you are both exciting and grounded, you create a connection that is hard to replace. This is where emotional intelligence comes in. It is not just about what you say. It is about how you respond, how you handle her moods, and how you stay calm when things get emotional. If you react impulsively, get defensive, or lose control, you break the sense of stability she is looking for. But when you remain steady, when you listen without trying to fix everything, when you understand without judging, she begins to trust you on a deeper level. Trust is what turns attraction into commitment. Here is something most men never realize. Neediness is silent but deadly. It does not always look obvious. Sometimes it shows up as over-texting, always being available, always trying to please, or constantly seeking reassurance. While it might feel like you are showing interest, it actually lowers your value. It shows that you are depending on her reaction to feel good about yourself. That creates pressure, and pressure pushes people away. Instead of trying to hold on to her tightly, you need to let go of that fear. You need to be okay with losing her. When you are okay with losing something, you stop acting out of desperation. You start acting out of confidence. Confidence is attractive because it shows that you have options, not necessarily other women, but options in life. Purpose, direction, and things that make you fulfilled beyond just her. That is what draws her in. No one wants to feel like they are your entire world. They want to feel like they are part of a world that is already strong and complete. This is why purpose matters so much. When you are focused on your goals and building something meaningful, you naturally become more attractive. Not because you are trying to impress her, but because you are improving yourself. That growth reflects in everything you do. She notices it in the way you speak, the way you carry yourself, and the way you make decisions. Even if you never talk about it, she sees it. And as she sees it, she starts to view you differently. Not just as another option, but as someone who stands out. Rarity creates desire. People value what is hard to find. When you combine that with authenticity, you become almost impossible to replace. No one else can be you. That is your biggest advantage. Do not try to copy other men. Do not try to follow trends. Be fully yourself without fear or apology. Because the moment you start pretending, you attract people who are not truly aligned with you. That never lasts. When you are real, you attract the right kind of woman. The one who chooses you not just for what you have, but for who you are. That is the kind of choice that lasts. Now here is the part most men rush and ruin. Timing. Have you ever noticed how trying to force a relationship too quickly often backfires? It is because connection needs time to grow. Attraction needs space to develop. When you rush it, you create pressure, and pressure kills attraction. Instead of trying to lock her down, you let things unfold naturally. You enjoy the process. You build connection step by step. As you do that, she begins to invest emotionally at her own pace. When she invests by her own choice, it becomes stronger, more real, and more lasting. That is when she starts choosing you without hesitation. Not because you convinced her, but because it feels right to her. And that is the key. You cannot force someone to feel something genuine. You can only create the conditions where those feelings can grow naturally. Those conditions come from who you are, not what you do. So if you truly want her to choose you over every other man, focus less on competing and more on becoming. Becoming confident without arrogance. Becoming grounded without being boring. Becoming emotionally strong without being distant. When you reach that point, something powerful happens. You stop worrying about other men completely, because you realize the real competition was never them. It was your own doubt, your own need for validation, and your own fear of not being enough. Once you overcome that, you step into a version of yourself that does not need to chase, convince, or prove anything. Your presence speaks for itself. And when your presence speaks, she listens, she feels, and eventually she chooses. Not because she has no other options, but because out of all her options, you are the one who feels right. And when it feels right, it lasts. That is how you truly make her choose you over every other man naturally.